Hello, welcome to CADFinesse. In this video, you will be learning how to use the Loft tool in Fusion 360. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so we'll begin by creating a sketch. So this will be a, let's say, a polygon. So we'll draw a polygon here and 25 millimeters. And now let's say we want this to be transitioned into a circle. So what we will do is we'll construct an offset plane. So we'll go ahead and enter the value for the offset plane. That will be 100 millimeters. Then we'll select that plane and sketch a circle on that plane. So to do that, we'll select the projection tool and by hitting P on the keyboard and then using the center diameter circle, we'll draw a circle just like this. Enter the dimensions and hit enter. So we are done with sketching. Now we'll just go ahead and use the create drop down, select Loft tool and select both the profiles, and as you can see we have transitioned our polygon to a circle in a 3D body. There are several other ways you can use this. So you can use this to create a twist. Let's say we create a sketch and again we'll draw a polygon. Yeah, so place the sketch on the plane and finish the sketch. Then repeat the same step of constructing an offset plane 100 millimeters, and on this plane we'll again draw a polygon of the same size, but this time it will be rotated by an angle. Just see this. So we'll drag it out, enter the dimension as 25 millimeters and rotate it just like this. It depends on how much angle you want the twist to be. Finish the sketch. Again head over to Loft tool under create drop down, select both the profiles, and you can see we have created a wonderful twist which looks so amazing. You can use this in any design. It looks so sophisticated and it's very easy to use. Make sure to use this in your designs. This makes a very good impression in your product design. And yeah, so we have made this. Make sure to share this video, like this video, and make sure to subscribe the channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.